Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, which is Sumit Odar with another job updates. So before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more updates. You can follow me in my social media, Facebook and Instagram for more updates. So now let's start the video. So today notification is given by the UPSC for the recruitment of NDA, National Defense Academy. So we'll look into it in details like exam pattern, selection procedure, eligibility criteria, syllabus and all that. So before we go, let me tell you the last date for applying for NDA is 29th of the June, and for online application is already has been started, which is 9th of June, and the last date is 29th of June till 6 p.m. You can apply it, and for the general category it's 100 rupees, and for the other category they need not to pay any of the amount, and payment mode online/offline. So the total number of posts, before we go for the value, the age limit, minimum is not earlier than 1st of Jan and maximum 1st of Jan 2006. So people born between the 2nd of Jan and 1st of Jan 2006 are eligible for this NDA, which is being recruitment is being done by the UPSC. So qualification for this is 12th class pass and equivalent with physics and mathematics are needed, and the total number of vacancy for the National Defense Academy is 370, and for the Naval Academy 10+2 cadet entry scheme 30 vacancy is there. So we'll look into what is the exam pattern for this exam. So just click on it. Here the exam pattern will be in two different process will be there. First will be the written examination and second will be the interview. In the written examination there will be the two paper, each paper 2.5 hours, and first is mathematics, maximum marks is 300, and general ability test, which is also for 2.5 hours, maximum marks is 600, total 9. And for the SSB test and interview, it contains 900 marks. So these are the marks allotment for each paper. Remember, for the mathematics 300 and general ability test 600, and for the interview it is 900 marks, and each paper will be in both language, Hindi and English. So what is the eligibility criteria? Already I told you 12 pass is needed with equivalent mathematics and chemistry. So we'll look what is the syllabus for the NDA. So in the syllabus for in mathematics, algebra, which is in 12th level, matrix and determinants, trigonometry, analytical geometry of 2 and 3 dimensions, differential calculus, integral calculus and differential equations, vector and probability are for the mathematics, and for the general ability, physics, chemistry, history, freedom movement, etc., and geography, current events. So these are the section which you need to study in the general ability test. In that also the each section is given the different weightage, which is section A, B, C, D, E, F approximately contains 25%, 15%, 10%, 20%, 20% and 10% is weightage. So please go according to that and give the priority before you start preparation. So these are the syllabus for mathematics and general ability. Eligibility criteria already I told you. The exam pattern is also over, and selection procedure. In that selection procedure, which is already done, will be in two stages: written examination and interview. And then so these are the information about the NDA. There is a in detail notification about this NDA recruitment, which can 94 pages click on it and read each and everything if you think if you are eligible. So yeah, this was the information about. So those interested candidate and those who are eligible, please you must apply. For the application you should go to their official website, which is upsconline.nic.in. so thank you with this, and I'm signing out until we meet again. Till then, bye bye.